Hey everyone! Welcome back to RPM Garage, the place where we dive into the future of tech, speed, and everything that gets your heart racing. Today, we've got something absolutely mind-blowing to talk about, the all-new Audi Drone 2026. Buckle up, because this is the kind of tech that will change the way we think about transportation. The Audi Drone 2026 is Audi's groundbreaking leap into the world of aerial mobility. With the automotive giant already being a leader in the high-tech car industry, it's no surprise that they've now taken to the skies with this next-gen drone. So, what exactly makes the Audi Drone 2026 such a game-changer? First off, let's talk about design. Audi's signature sleek, aerodynamic style is all over this drone. With sharp edges, smooth curves, and a compact frame, it's not just a flying vehicle, it's a statement. Inside, the cockpit is futuristic yet intuitive. With a fully digital interface, all controls are easy to navigate, and the seats? Designed for comfort, featuring luxurious leather finishes, ensuring you're flying in style. Let's dive into the tech specs, starting with performance. The Audi Drone 2026 is powered by a hybrid engine, using both electric motors and advanced hydrogen cells. This means incredible efficiency and long-range capabilities, making it perfect for urban commutes or even longer cross-country flights. We're talking about a range of over 300 miles on a single charge. The top speed of this drone? A blistering 150 miles per hour, faster than most sports cars. And, with state-of-the-art stabilization systems, it's as smooth as a ride in a luxury sedan. Safety is, of course, a priority. Audi has equipped this drone with advanced AI-assisted safety features, including real-time collision avoidance, automatic emergency landings, and a built-in parachute system for the worst-case scenarios. You're in good hands. Now, on to the fun part: pricing. The Audi Drone 2026 isn't a budget vehicle by any means. With all that cutting-edge tech, you can expect to pay a hefty price of around $500,000. Yes, that's right, $500,000 to get your hands on one of these high-flying machines. But with that price tag, you're not just buying a drone. You're investing in the future of travel, where speed, luxury, and innovation all collide in one amazing package. Don't forget to subscribe RPM Garage.